Namaste people. So in this video we're going to see how to make the emoji or the face that we integrated from Flare using to Flutter to make it react to our slider input, and there is a logic to that I made. So I'll paste that picture of the logic right around now. So now that you've seen that photo, it is very easy. I'll just walk you through that as well. So first of all, after setting state, whenever a value is changed, it will check if so. We have to create a value, a double called last section will be equal to 0.0 by default. So we will check the last section if first of all if we'll check if underscore value is equal to 0.0, it will go into this loop, and if last section is more than 0.0, that means if this section in which it's coming from the back like this. If it does, so we need to change the field set state field to 0 minus, right? And then we'll set state, change the last section value to 0.0. We'll update the value here. Now we'll rerun the code. I'll show you what happens. So initially it is like this. So if it goes back and comes back, okay, I've not actually added that part. Let me add that as well. Else if underscore value is above 0.0 and underscore value is less than 25.0, then we'll check the last section as well. Last section equal to 0.0, that means it's coming from 0th section from this value and coming forward. Then we'll change the field to, all of this needs to be done in a set state. I'm not using provider in this tutorial. So set state to 0 plus is a string, remember, 0 plus, and we'll change the last section as well. That last section will be equal to 25 to the last section. Now if we go from here to right, as you can see, it goes to that, and if we come back, it changes back because of this 0 minus animation. So this is what we need to basically repeat for every section. So this is very repetitive and thus very easy. So we'll do this for else if underscore value is more than equal to 25.0 and underscore value is less than 50.0. That means we check the last section. If the last section is basically 25, so basically it is moving forward, right? So if it moves forward, we have to set state the field to 25 plus, we have to add an else case here as well. So if the last section is not 0.0, it will be 50. It will either be coming from the back or from the forward. So the field will here change to 25 minus, right? So here 25 plus, else set state field will be equal to 50 minus, else if underscore value more than equal to 50.0 and then underscore value is less than 75.0, we will check the last state, last section equal. Okay, actually I didn't change the last section here, will be equal to 50. This section is 50. So after this we will check if the last section is equal to 75. That means it's coming back. We will set state to 50 plus. Okay, equal to 50. So it is coming forward. So field will be equal to 50 plus. Else set state field will be equal to 75 minus. So basically it will be coming from the opposite side. Now again else if underscore value equal to, oh sorry, more than equal to 25.0 and then underscore value less than 100 if last section equal to 75, and I will set the last section here. That means it's going forward. So it will be field set state. Field will be equal to 25 plus. Else set state field will be equal to 100 minus. Actually, we don't need this. And we didn't even make this one, and it's not needed actually. Let's see how this does. Oh, I'll actually in the last section as well. Now let's see. There's some problem here which I will sort out. So yeah, I just made some changes. As you can see, it is a very nested thing. So there were a couple of issues. Now I've corrected it. I'll just run you through them again. So if the value is 0, we have to check if it's coming from above the 0th section. So we'll make the animation as 0 minus. So it's coming towards 0 and the value is getting less. And we'll change the last section to 0. Now if the value is more than 0.0 and less than 25, you have to check if the last section was 0, that means it's going forward, the field will be 0 plus, else the last section, if the last section was 50, it will be 25 minus, that means it is coming from 25 and getting less, and the last section will again become 25 If the value is more than 25 and the current value is less than 50, you have to check if the last section of 25, that means it's going forward, so 25 plus, else it's coming back, that means the last section was 75, thus 50 minus. Now similarly 50, if it's between 50 and 75, you have to check the last section of 50, so 50 plus, else 75 minus. And then if it's between 75 and 100, and check the last section of 75, it's going forward, else we don't need it, because then 75 minus will take care of that. Thus we'll just redo this. Let's check if it's working now. Right, as you can see, even on the backwards, this is working now. Right, so we need to change the rating, very poor, poor, excellent and all that, and we need to add color in the background. That we will do in the next video. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for the next video as well. Thank you so much.